Hi friends, good morning. This video is about chin augmentation, and so chin augmentation non-surgically using hyaluronic acid fillers. Briefly, this process can take about 5 minutes, and hyaluronic acid fillers are temporary fillers which will give you the effect for about 9 to 12 months. We do it in the OPD in the office and by a zip tie. So now the aesthetics of the face: upper third, middle third, lower third. In some patients, the lower third of the face is small, not 1/3. And in some patients, the chin is actually gone back. I'm going to show you an example and I'm going to show you how it's actually done. And so restoration of the chin can give a nice V look to the face. It can add a lot of facial symmetry when we symmetrize the lower 1/3. It is different in men and women. In men, it is more broad. In women, it is more narrow. So let's have a look at a couple of pictures, and that will tell us how it's done. Now, when we see here, now we are seeing a face, and we can clearly see that the lower 1/3 of the face is a little smaller compared to the. So we see that this face is a little small. This 1/3 is a little small. I'm not showing the whole face because of confidentiality reasons, but this face is giving a very roundish appearance. Now, if I was to enhance the length of this, give it this kind of a contour, then it will look like a much better face. From the side projection, we can see that the projection is good. The angle formed from the upper lip to the chin is very normal. So we don't actually need to enhance the chin in front. So what do we need to do? Now, in men, the chin is broad. So these are the 2 points where we inject. We can also see that in this patient, there's a bit of asymmetry. The chin on this side is lower and the chin on this side is higher. So you can actually inject a little bit here to enhance the symmetry of the chin. If this patient was a male face, then we would have injected here and here. But in a female face, we want to inject right in the center. So this is the point where we inject. Now to enhance the length, what we do is we go from here up to the bone and then come vertically down, injecting about 1 ml. And the idea is to create a chin like this. So we see that the face suddenly starts to look more V. That's a nice V character to the face, and the width of the face starts to come down and the face looks much more angular, much sharper. This is the original line of the chin. And now, once we have given the filler here, this gives a very nice overall appearance. I'm going to fill this portion. So this is what the appearance will be. Now, suppose we were to inject. So how would the injection go? Absolutely 90 degrees like this. If anterior projection was required, then we would have gone at 0 degrees like this, and hit the bone and come back slowly to here. Very often we have to actually do a combination of both the vertical projection as well as the anterior projection. We then actually go at 45 degrees at the point of the curvature. So here we find the midpoint here and then go in and come back gradually. So this is how the fillers are usually done. The fillers will last for about 9 to 10 months, and this takes only about maybe 5 minutes or so. We put local anesthesia cream in this portion. So we put local anesthesia cream in this entire portion and then do the procedure. It is safe, it is harmless, has absolutely no side effects.